Hello everyone, I'm Stone from High Target. Today I want to introduce is our solution one-person setup. Uh, all tools for serving is evolution, just like human being from monkey to people. All began to firstly to use basic tools. Then we use total station, and then we use the now use the robotic total station. It's becoming very well high technology. Now our company developed the new robotic total station HTS820. We called it one-person setup solution. Why call it one person? Traditional total station, we need two people. It may be waste time and maybe cost more money. And our total station just need one person can work all the how about its appraise? And the main body of it is star gray and is with deep ocean blue on its outer shell. It's with 8,000 grams and it has IP65 and it have a 5.5-inch high brightness touch screen and equipped with a pen behind the screen. It helps our customers to use the pen to touch the screen when they wear the gloves in winter. And our one-person setup solution has a port control system. It has two port opponents. One opponent is SP10, another is SP10 Pro. The difference between them is one supports GNSS, another don't support, but both of them supports IMU model. For our customers, it's like it can be convenient for put in our pocket. So it's very weight and only has 400 grams. This is all the solution. It includes our robotic total station, our port control system, and the operation software. After I have introduced much about our solution, how about its performance? Let's introduce about it. The angle accuracy of it is 1 second and 2 seconds. And the distance measurement with the prism, it can get 1.5 meters to 5,000 meters. And the accuracy can get 2 millimeters plus 2 ppm. And with no prism model, it can reach the distance of 1.5 meters to 5,000 meters. And its accuracy is 3 millimeters plus 2 ppm. And we have equipped with an onboard system. It's a real Android system. Not like other total station, it need a microcontroller. It makes our total station can install many applications and install it very faster and use very easier. It has 3 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM. And for our customers can work more long, we equip with a high capacity battery. It can work about 4 hours. And in our box, it has 2 batteries, so you don't worry about the battery. And our robotic total station has 2 cameras. One front camera is for AI search or prism, and a button camera is for center and measure height automatically. And we all total station equipped with a guiding light. It helps our customers to stake out points more convenient. This is our software. It includes all the function of a total station about station setup and smart tracking, searching, measure, and stakeout. Later, I will show you some key features about our robotic total station. With a 2 million pixel camera and a high-target cells developed measurement technology, we can quick center by use of its button camera. And it can measure height automatically. And its accuracy can get 1 millimeters. It increased station up setup efficiency by 60%. Let's see a video about the details. Just like shown in the videos, we don't need to center the GCP in the center. You just need to select the center point. It will calculate automatically. We use the algorithm like resection to calculate the center point coordinates. Because otherwise, our port control system supports GNSS. So if you worked in somewhere you don't have GCP or you don't need to very high precision, you can use this function, free station setup. This function is used. You just need to work a little seconds. Our total station can calculate the fixed solution to set up. Let's see a video about it. Because it's use GNSS fixed solution to calculate, so its accuracy is about 2 centimeters. After setup, robotic total station's important function is searching and tracking. Our port control system is include GNSS and IMU and image camera. So we have original technology is AI search. It don't need our customers to select which method to search. It will change automatically. As long as our prism appear in the camera of the total station, our total station will aim at the prism very fastly. Otherwise, because of the GNSS model, our robotic total station also can use the GNSS fixed solution to aim at the prism. Let's see how it works in this video. just what's shown in this video. It can search the prism very fastly. As demonstration in this video, we control the real-time tracking. In an area with GNSS signal, the prism will be continuously tracked even if it is blocked by buildings. With the SP10 Pro, you can seamlessly switch between optical and GNSS measurements. Use GNSS for point collection and stakeout in areas without line of sight, and rely on the robotic total station in environments like indoor or weak GNSS signals area. This ensures accuracy while expanding the range of working, reducing the need of recollection or rework, and improving efficiency. Thanks to our developed tilt measurement algorithm, we provide high accurate and stable optical tilt measurement and stakeout during serving and layout tasks. And because of our pole control system include radio model, so it communicate with radio. Its range can get 600 meters. The distance is very long. Let's see a video. Oh, the distance can beyond 600 meters. Before, what I introduced is used for construction. Now let's introduce about the monitoring. Monitoring with a robotic total station is traditional serving and mapping the automation and intelligent technologies. Equipped with powerful and stable tracking capabilities, along with supporting monitoring software, it can be efficiently applied in monitoring scenarios. Its advantages include automation, high precision, high efficiency, and strong adaptability. It is suitable for long continuous monitoring in complex environment and large-scale environment monitoring scenarios. Usually, we use it for for example, bridge or road deformation and settlement. It will prevent disaster appear. After all, the application scenario we can use for cadastral surveying, construction site monitoring application, and even used to machine control. Let's see a video to reveal all the key features about our robotic total station. That's all I want to share today. Thank you.